Good morning, guys. This is Sunita. Welcome to your class, Poem 1 Photograph, Part 2nd, Class 11 English. So, let us start. Today, we are discussing our question answers of the poem. Our first question is, what does the word cardboard denote in the poem? Why has this word been used? The answer is the word cardboard in the poem refers to the photograph of the poet's mother enjoying a sea holiday with her two cousins when she was 12 years old. The cardboard stands for the frame that supports and holds the photograph. It signifies that life is transient and what remains is an insignificant piece of paper. Now, my second question is, what has the camera captured? The camera has captured some happy childhood moments of the poet's mother when she has gone for a sea holiday with her two cousins, Dolly and Betty. The girls were paddling in the water and enjoying the moment. Now, third question is, what has not changed over the years? Does this suggest something to you? And the answer is, time has moved on. But what has not changed over the years is the sea. It is immortal. It appears to be the same today as it looked in the old photograph. It suggests the eternity of the sea. It also brings out the transient nature of man who compared to nature and its objects. My fourth question is, the poet's mother laughed at the snapshot. What did this laugh indicate? So, the answer is, the poet's mother was a girl of 12 or so when the photograph was taken. The photograph has captured the smiling face of the poet's mother. She laughed in nostalgia. Nostalgia means when you remember your past experiences, your past sad or happy experience, and you want to enjoy it again. Okay, so this is nostalgia. At the snapshot that was taken years ago, and also at the way all of them were dressed for the beach. She pointed it out to others. Perhaps they looked funny. This laugh indicated that poet's mother enjoyed remembering her childhood days when she was young and free from the tensions and worries of adult life. Now, our fifth question is, what is the meaning of the line? Both rye with labored ease of loss. So, the answer is the answer is the context of the above lines in the mother's recollection of her childhood days and poet's recollection of her mother's laughing face. There is a connection when the mother was laughing and when the child was laughing. When the mother was a child, when she was laughing, and when mother was an adult, she was laughing. So there is a connection. The mother has fond memories of her past, but there was a sense of loss of the carefree childhood days. The poet's loss referred to here is the loss of her mother. Now, what mother is missing? What the mother is missing? The mother is missing her childhood. And what the poet is missing? The poet is missing her mother because her mother has died. So, the memories in each case were beautiful but painful to recall as time slipped away so easily. Now, let us come to sixth question. What does this circumstance refer to? So, the answer is, this circumstance refers to the death of the poet's mother. Okay, whenever she saw the photograph of her mother, she becomes sad as the photograph brings sad nostalgic feeling, sad past feeling she gets lost in the old sweet memories of the past. But she cannot do anything about it now. She has nothing to say at all about it. She maintains silence, and the silence leads to a deeper cover of silence. So now come to seventh question. The seventh question is, the three stanzas depict three different phases. What are they? So the seventh question is talking about the three phases. In poem reading also we talked about the three phases. So again I'm telling you what are the three phases. Our first phase, when the mother was a child. She was 12 years old, okay, and she was a 12-year-old girl with a sweet and innocent smile. She was standing on the beach enjoying holidays with her two cousins, Dolly and Betty. This was a phase first. Now, second phase. Second phase was when the mother was an adult. Okay, the poet's mother's middle age is described here, where she is laughing at her own snapshot. Perhaps the girls were looking quite funny in the clothes. Now, the third phase describes the poet's feeling for her mother, who has died many years ago. This is the current phase. The photograph revives nostalgic feeling in her, and it leads to a deeper silence.